Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Thursday, October 22nd. We're going to take a look at the euro. Now, we had a really good trade in the futures trading room this morning with the euro. Worked out perfectly. Everything lined up. If you've been a member of Value Charts and you've been watching the end of day setups for the past couple of days, since 2 days ago, and then again yesterday, we were talking about a bear flag setup on the dailies in the euro, and that if we broke the previous daily low in the euro, that would give us a daily bear flag and would suggest that it continues to run lower. Well, last night during the night session, we broke yesterday's low, which triggered the bear flag and gave us a bearish directional bias. Now, we came in this morning in the futures trading room at 8 a.m. Okay, and one of the first things we talked about within about 5 minutes of opening the trading room was we had a very well-defined micro trend against the overall downtrend. So if you look at this 5-minute chart, a micro trend is this small consolidation with higher low pivots within the context of an overall downtrend. So what you do is you draw your trend line going across the lows, and this is a great trend line because it's been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different times. And the short was on the break below 1.1322. Once you broke through 1.1322, that was your short entry with your stop up at 1329 or 1331, depending on how aggressive you want or conservative you wanted to be with your stop placement. Ended up breaking through. Draghi came out, started to talk, and it just ripped lower and continued to run and continued to run and continued to run. And right now it's all the way down at 1.1145. I know there are still people in the trading room holding on to this short with the target of the 1.106, which basically just about there, about 40 pips away. So not a bad trade. Great job to everybody in the trading room. And this is kind of interesting because this happens all the time where you get the technical analysis precedes the fundamental analysis, meaning the fundamentals came out with Draghi's talking about the rate decision, basically the FOMC, but for the European bank, ECB. And the technicals preceded it by saying, hey, it was bearish on the dailies. We had a bear flag on the 120-minute chart. We had a bear flag on a 60-minute chart. We had a micro trend on our 5-minute chart. We had a break of the micro trend right before the major move from the announcement. So keep an eye on all your technicals when you're going into these announcements. A lot of times they will tip you off into the direction that's getting ready to break. All right, that's all I have for you for today. Great job, everybody in the trading room that traded the breakdown in euro. You all made a boatload of money. Worked really well. So that's all I have for you for today. And until next time, happy trading.